Need a powerful tool to analyze electronic signals with precision? Whether you're a seasoned technician or a curious hobbyist, a digital oscilloscope is essential for diagnosing and testing circuits. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best digital oscilloscopes to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Elecomp Digital Oscilloscope. The Elecomp Digital Oscilloscope is a versatile handheld device designed to meet the needs of both field technicians and hobbyists. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 100 grams and featuring a 2.8-inch display, allows for easy portability and convenient use in various environments. This makes it an ideal tool for professionals who require reliable diagnostics on the go. Equipped with a high bandwidth of 250 kHz and a real-time sampling rate of 2.5 ms per second, the oscilloscope can capture detailed and intricate signal waveforms with precision. This capability ensures accurate analysis of electronic signals, enabling users to diagnose complex circuits and troubleshoot issues effectively. The device offers comprehensive trigger modes, including auto, single, and normal, which provide flexibility in signal analysis. These modes allow users to stabilize and capture specific signal events, making it easier to monitor dynamic changes and transient signals. One of the key features of the Elecomp digital oscilloscope is its extensive voltage measurement range. It can accurately measure signals from ±40 volts up to ±400 volts when using the ×10 setting, accommodating a broad spectrum of testing scenarios across different electronic systems. Additionally, the oscilloscope includes a rechargeable battery with a USB 5-volt 1-amp charging port. This feature allows for quick and convenient charging, ensuring the device is ready for use during extended field operations without the need for frequent battery replacements. Overall, the Elecomp digital oscilloscope combines portability, precision, and versatility in a compact form factor, making it a valuable instrument for electrical testing and signal analysis in diverse applications. Coming in at number 4, the Bside Digital Oscilloscope. The Bside 09 Digital Oscilloscope is a versatile and high-performance testing instrument designed for professionals and electronics enthusiasts alike. Featuring an advanced FPGA plus MCU plus ADC hardware architecture, this portable oscilloscope offers dual-channel sampling rates up to 280 ms samples and an analog bandwidth of 50 MHz. Its robust design includes a built-in high-voltage protection module that supports peak voltage measurements up to ±400 V, making it suitable for a wide range of demanding electrical measurements. Equipped with a 3.98-inch full-view TFT display boasting a resolution of 480 by 320 pixels, the Bside 09 delivers clear and detailed waveform visuals. Powered by a built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it can operate for up to 10 hours in oscilloscope mode and an impressive 24 hours in multimeter mode, providing reliable performance for extended fieldwork. The package also includes a premium EVA carrying case for convenient and safe transportation. The oscilloscope is compatible with a flexible current clamp capable of measuring currents up to 2,000 amps, broadening its application in high-current environments. Its digital multimeter functionality features a 6,000-count display with true RMS measurement, supporting AC/DC voltage, current, temperature, capacitance, resistance, diode testing, NVC, continuity, and more. User-friendly features such as automatic shutdown and low battery alarm enhance its practical usability. Additionally, the Bside 09 incorporates a built-in DDS signal generator capable of outputting 7 different waveform types with frequencies up to 2 MHz and adjustable steps as fine as 1 Hz. Users can customize output frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle to meet specific testing requirements. This integration of oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator functions into one compact device makes the Bside 09 a powerful and convenient tool for electronic diagnostics and experimentation. At number 3, we have the Zeeweii DSO1511 digital oscilloscope. The Zeeweii DSO1511G digital oscilloscope is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and hobbyists alike. Featuring a vivid 320 by 240 resolution color TFT LCD display, it delivers bright colors and high contrast, allowing users to clearly observe and analyze data with ease. Built on an advanced ARM plus FPGA plus ADC architecture, the oscilloscope boasts a bandwidth of up to 120 MHz and a sampling rate of 500 ms per second. This combination ensures stable performance and high precision during various measurement tasks, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features is the built-in square wave generator. Positioned on the upper part of the device, it produces an adjustable square wave with a 3-volt amplitude. Users can fine-tune the frequency between 0 and 2 MHz with an accuracy of 0.1 Hz, as well as adjust the duty cycle from 1% to 99%. This functionality is ideal for calibrating new probes, driving MOSFETs, or replacing crystals. The oscilloscope supports fast Fourier transform, allowing the conversion of time domain waveforms into frequency domain representations. This is especially useful for harmonic analysis and comes with 3 display modes: logarithmic, linear, and music spectrum, catering to different analytical needs. The Zeeweii DSO1511G is widely applicable, fitting tasks such as microcontroller unit debugging, automotive repair, home appliance servicing, DIY electronic projects, power supply troubleshooting, and inverter testing, making it a comprehensive tool for diverse electronic measurement needs. Next up at number 2 is the Incayde digital oscilloscope. The Incayde digital oscilloscope is a versatile and compact instrument that combines the functionality of a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator into one device. Featuring a sharp 3.2-inch IPS display with high sensitivity and vivid color options for dual-channel waveforms, it offers clear and detailed visualization of signals. The built-in signal generator outputs various waveforms, including sine, square, and triangle waves, with adjustable voltage amplitude up to 2.5 V and frequency ranging from 0 to 2 MHz. Users can also fine-tune the square wave duty cycle from 1% to 99%, providing flexible signal simulation for testing purposes. The integrated True RMS multimeter supports quick software calibration and can measure DC/AC voltage, DC/AC current, resistance, capacitance, diode function, and continuity. A notable feature is its ability to perform low voltage, resistance, and continuity measurements simultaneously with oscilloscope functions, enhancing diagnostic efficiency. As a digital oscilloscope, the device boasts a dual-channel setup with a 120 MHz bandwidth and a 250 M samples per second sampling rate. It includes versatile triggering modes, automatic, single, and normal, along with sensitivity and time-based adjustments to accommodate different signal types. The instrument offers advanced analysis tools such as cursor measurement, FFT spectrum analysis, and reference waveform comparison. Waveform data can be saved with one click for later viewing or deletion, facilitating easy management and documentation of signal analysis. Overall, the Incayde digital oscilloscope is a highly capable and multifunctional tool suited for engineers, technicians, and hobbyists working with electronic signals. Finally, at number 1, we have the Zoyi ZT-703S digital oscilloscope. The Zoyi ZT-703S digital oscilloscope is a versatile and efficient tool designed to enhance precision measurement with its dual-channel 3-in-1 functionality. Equipped with dual-channel input and a bandwidth of 2 × 50 MHz, it allows users to perform detailed signal comparisons, which is essential for accurate problem analysis and diagnosis in electronic testing. This oscilloscope features a vibrant TFT high-definition color screen, providing clear readings and vivid color differentiation that improve the user experience and help in quickly interpreting waveform data. The device supports arbitrary waveform voltage measurement and display, catering to a wide range of daily testing needs by accurately capturing various waveform types. One standout feature of the Zoyi ZT-703S is its one-key auto adjustment function. This function streamlines the process of waveform measurement by automatically fine-tuning settings for precise cursor-based parameter readings, thus saving time and minimizing manual adjustments. Additionally, the oscilloscope includes a persistence mode designed to capture signals more effectively. This mode is especially useful for identifying and analyzing abnormal waveforms, as it leaves no room for signal escape, ensuring that even fleeting signal irregularities are recorded for thorough examination. With its combination of dual-channel inputs, high-definition display, and intelligent adjustment and capture features, the Zoyi ZT-703S digital oscilloscope provides a powerful and user-friendly solution for professionals and enthusiasts who require reliable and detailed signal analysis in their work or projects.